Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, battery above 20% and any urgent files backed up. Now, press and hold the power key until the shutdown menu appears. This is the fastest route. Once done, tap Restart, and if Restart is missing, power off fully, then press power for 10 seconds to reboot. That simple action often clears transient safe mode flags. Make sure to note whether safe mode appeared after installing an app, because that changes the next steps. Once your phone restarts, look for the safe mode label at the bottom left. If present, you're still restricted to system apps. You should uninstall the most recent apps first, because one bad app commonly triggers safe mode. Go to Settings Apps, sort by install date, then remove the last 2 or 3. If uninstalling doesn't work, boot into Recovery and wipe the cache partition. This removes temporary files that can lock the phone into safe mode, without erasing personal data. If safe mode persists after cache wipe and app removal, back up your data and perform a factory reset from settings. This removes stubborn software triggers. Once you reset and restore selectively, avoid reinstalling suspect apps. If even factory reset doesn't clear it, use My PC Suite or Fastboot tools to reflash firmware. Only do that if you're comfortable. One key troubleshooting tip: safe mode is usually software-related. If hardware damage is suspected, seek authorized service instead of reflashing casually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.